It's not, again, don't get me wrong, the bump's not bad. Like, I did this, it stays intact. I think it was because, like, I was trying to press before, so it was kind of like acting up. So that's not it's not a major factor, but I think for me, um, the camera itself, the video the quality is decent. Now the telephoto lens, I think is why most people want this camera. But I'm gonna be honest with you, even though it's 2K and all that, I feel like again when it's bumpy or wobbly, unless you like a stable street, smooth, and but when it's wobbly, or even when you're driving smooth, and I'm gonna drive smooth, you guys gonna see like, oh, look at all these cars double park. Look at this, all double park on left and right side. All this blocking the bus lane.